Hey guys, it's your favorite girl Alicia Handles It, and I'm back with a Thanksgiving video. Happy holidays, guys. Hope you enjoy your turkey day tomorrow. Hope your house is busy and popping. Now let's get into the video. Today I will be installing an Amazon wig. Last minute, she has a wedding to go to out of town, so this is what we're working with. And I'm gonna cut this into a shorter bob. I'm inspired by Cassie with this, so guys, stick around and watch this video. Well, it's really an asymmetrical bob. I will be dropping pictures at the end of the video so you can see my inspiration. But yeah, I've been loving this style for a while, and I was so happy when my model wanted it. So guys, stick around and enjoy the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. My name is Alicia Handles It, and what I do on my channel is anything that has to do with beauty. I like to cut, I like to do finger waves, I like to make wigs, install them. Anything that has to do with beauty and you're willing to learn something, you're in the right place. Just hit that subscribe button, join the squad, and we'll love on you over here. Also, I try to squeeze in unboxings and tutorials, so you won't regret joining. Now, there's a few things that I'm going to do. I'm cutting it on her head first to get a feel of how we want it to look. Then I'm going to style it kind of off of her head, trim it up, cut it, fix it up. Then I'm going to install it. So guys, this video is very interesting. So stick around. I see you guys at the end, and I hope you enjoy. Watch and learn. Anything you can take away and add this to your technique, go right ahead. So don't forget to drop a like on this video. It will get me out there in the algorithms, guys. And just to let you guys know, I did bleach the knots on this unit, and I also just dipped it in some jet black rinse. Of course, the jet black, this hairstyle was so last minute, so it really literally soaked for only like 20 minutes, but it gave the hair like a nice shine because it was kind of brown, but I think it looks good. Anywho, it looks nice. And guys, remember, I have membership. So if there's anything specifically that you need to know, just go over and join membership, because I will be here for you. Whether you like to learn how to cut, whether you need to know how to make a wig, whether you want to know how to finger wave, I got you in membership. By the time you're finished, you will know exactly what to do. So just join, guys. Join. If you have any questions or you really want to learn something, if you're in hair school, I got you. Join membership though. So I hope you handlers enjoyed the video. Welcome to all the new subscribers. And just know that it's never okay. Watch your girl children, even your boys. And I'll see you in the next video. Mwah.